Every great venture begins with a single entry in a leather-bound book. Justice in business requires a steady hand and an even more honest heart. An initial investment is the seed from which a grand legacy eventually grows. Every trade must be measured carefully to keep the shop thriving and full. Fulfilling obligations ensures that the wheels of commerce never stop turning. True profit is found in the glowing success of a day well spent in service. One small mistake can tip the scales and send a stable world into chaos. Precision and focus are the only tools that can restore a broken equilibrium. A finished ledger brings a sense of peace that lightens the entire room. Bookkeeping success is when everything balances like a well-constructed bridge.